Hello, Brip2. How are you today? Today we will study the inequality for any four numbers A, B, C, and D. Number 1. If A greater than B, then A plus C greater than B plus C. How? For example, 5 greater than 4, right? If you add number 2 here and number 2 here, so 5 plus 2 and here 4 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal 7, 4 plus 2 equal 6, 7 greater than 6. So A greater than B, will deduce that A plus C greater than B plus C. Okay. Number 2, if A greater than B, then A minus C greater than B minus C. For example, 9 greater than 5. If we subtract 3 from the both sides, so we will get 9 minus 3, 5 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 6 still greater than 2. Here greater than and here greater than. So if A greater than B, then A minus C greater than B minus C. Number 3, if A greater than B and number C greater than 0, then AC greater than BC. Like what? If you have 3 greater than 2, if multiply by like 4, 3 multiplied 4 and 2 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 equal 12. 2 multiplied 4 equal 8. 12 greater than 8. Okay. The fourth one, if A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. For example, 5 greater than 4 and 4 greater than 3. Then 5 is greater than, then 5 greater than 3. So if A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. Okay. If A greater than B and C greater than D, then A plus C greater than B plus D. For example, 10 greater than 9. Okay. And 8 greater than 4. Okay. If you add 10 plus 8 equal 18. 9 plus 4 equal what? Equal 13. 18 greater than 13. So if A greater than B and C greater than D, then A plus C greater than B plus D. Okay. Remember that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of any interior angle of the triangle except the adjacent angle. Again, measure of any exterior angle of a triangle greater than the measure of the interior angle except the adjacent. Okay. In the opposite figure, if measure of angle ABC greater than measure of angle ACB and BD equal DC, prove that measure of angle ABD greater than measure of angle ACD. Okay. Since BD equal DC, what we deduce? We deduce that measure of angle DBC greater than measure of angle equal measure of angle DCB. Again, DB equal DC. Then measure of angle DBC equal measure of angle DCB, isosceles triangle. Okay. Since measure of angle ABC greater than measure of angle ACB, it's given. And this number 2, subtracting 1 from 2, we get measure of angle ABC minus measure of angle DBC greater than measure of angle ACB minus measure of angle DCB. Okay, stop here. Measure of angle ABC minus measure of angle GBC. ABC minus GBC. The remainder what? The remainder angle AGB here. Measure of angle ACB minus measure of angle DCB. ACB minus DCB. The remainder what? Excellent. ACG. So, measure of angle ABG greater than measure of angle ACG.